One woman could hardly speak.
Every ultrasound. Um, sorry.
Another became physically sick trying to tell her story.
I mean, the thing about it really just makes me.
This week, a group of women relived their devastating pregnancy losses before a packed courtroom in Austin. They're suing the state after they say medically necessary care was delayed or denied because of their doctor's confusion over the state's abortion laws. They want clarity.
I'm sorry to ask this. Was Willow alive when you delivered her? No.
At the heart of this case is one question: when can doctors intervene under state law? Texas law says a doctor can perform an abortion if the mother has a life-threatening physical condition. That condition would put them at risk for death or cause impairment of a major bodily function. The state wants the lawsuit dismissed. The state argued this week that the law is clear enough for doctors to understand.
We're talking about all women who had wanted pregnancies and just ended up having, complications that you could not have predicted.
SMU professor Seema Mohapatra studies abortion law. She says the consequences of violating this law are severe. In this case, she says it leaves some doctors hesitant to provide a standard of care that is otherwise normal and expected when there's a pregnancy complication.
This very, odd and unhealthy kind of relationship for a physician to have with their patient, that no, you're not sick enough right now, and I could risk, having a felony conviction. I could risk my license.
The judge overseeing the case says it will take weeks before a decision is made. Professor Seema says, regardless of the decision,
anyone that has a capacity of becoming pregnant in Texas being potentially impacted by this.
In Dallas, I'm Natalie Haddad.